Step into a suburban sanctuary where vibrant blooms and thoughtful design converge in a stunning representation of nature's artistry. At the heart of this tranquil oasis lies a beautifully crafted, curved brick flower bed, elegantly bordered with a rich tapestry of red, brown, and beige bricks. Its gentle curve guides the eye along the right side of the scene, creating a graceful flow that invites exploration. This enchanting flower bed is vividly alive, boasting an intricate assembly of flora that showcases the beauty of seasonal colors. Clusters of cheerful yellow marigolds burst forth alongside dazzling red and pink petunias, while the pure white lilies stand tall and elegant, accompanied by the deep royal hues of purple salvia. These radiant blooms are perfectly set against a backdrop of dark brown mulch, enhancing their vividness and providing a striking contrast that captures the senses. Complementing the flora is a meticulously maintained lawn, lush and green, that extends into a harmonious expanse to the left. This verdant carpet serves not only as a canvas, but also as a tranquil buffer that enhances the overall sense of serenity. In the background, a classic red brick wall with a smooth top acts as a natural barrier, enriched by flourishing vines and blooming plants, further solidifying the garden's aesthetic appeal. Towering coniferous shrubs and leafy trees rise majestically behind the flower bed, enveloping the space in a comforting embrace of greenery that feels both secluded and expansive. The sky above, partially visible in the corner, offers a glimpse of soft blue adorned with delicate wisps of white clouds, adding to the ethereal atmosphere of this garden haven. In its entirety, the curved brick flower bed, a colorful backyard garden oasis, is not merely a collection of plants and bricks. It is a meticulously curated experience that invites relaxation and reflection. This picturesque landscape, characterized by its vibrant colors and harmonious mixture of textures, embodies a welcoming and peaceful essence, showcasing the profound beauty of nature in a suburban setting. Here, every element works in concert, creating a beautiful tableau that is both refreshing and invigorating, illustrating the joy that can be found in well-planned garden design.